Hello guys, welcome to my channel NexTutorial, and in today's video I'm gonna be giving you a step-by-step on how to factory reset your HTC OPM92 or HTC 626 or HTC 626S. I'm going to show you two different ways, two different methods on how to factory reset your phone. The first step is to go to your applications, and you're gonna go to your settings so you can master reset the phone. So go to settings, then you're gonna scroll down until you see the option that says backup reset. You click on that, then it's gonna say all the way on the bottom reset phone. You're gonna tap on that, then you're gonna press OK. Then it's gonna tell you basically your phone. Once you hit OK, it will factory reset it. I'm just gonna hit cancel, then I'm gonna show you the second step on how to factory reset your phone. Hold on the power key, then you want to turn the device off. Once the device is completely off, you're gonna want to press two buttons, which are the volume down and the power key. You press those and you want to keep holding for a few seconds, then a menu will come up. Then I'm going to show you what to do next. So you're going to use the volume down key to scroll down to where it says Reboot to Bootloader. Then you're going to press the power key. Then it's going to take about 10 seconds. Then you want to use the volume down and scroll down to Reboot to recovery mode. Then you want to press the power key. This will take about 10-15 seconds. Then it will take you to the recovery screen, and you're going to be able to wipe the phone clean in that menu. So as soon as you see this come up, you're going to want to press the power and the volume up key at the same time. And here you go. Here's the factory reset screen. You want to use the volume down key to navigate. Then you want to scroll down where it says wipe data, factory reset, press the power key, scroll down to yes, press the power key again. Then this will take about another 10 seconds. Once it's done, we're going to do one more thing, then you're good to go. As you see, it says wiping data on the bottom, then formatting data. Now it's doing is resetting, deleting everything off the device. Then you want to scroll down right now to where it says wipe cache partition. Press the power key, press down to yes, press again on the power, and press the power key once more. Then now it's going to restart the device. You're good to go. The phone is wiped clean. If you like my tutorial, please like and subscribe my channel for more. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.